how do you reach out for jobs in this very demanding industry?
See, it's a rewarding career. Once you get a taste of it, you want to stick into it.
Talk to us a little bit about the skills that you initially need apart from basic skills and the skills that one will develop over the period of time. What are the salary structures? Because how does the future look like for journalism as a career or journalism industry or news agency, media industry? Hey everyone, welcome to the Curious Podcast. आज का podcast dedicated है to journalism and media and making a career in it. And we have a special guest with us, Yuvraj Malik. So Yuvraj is a tech and business reporter at Reuters News. He has over 10 years of experience in journalism and has worked with top brands like Business Standard, Mint, NSE Cogenesis, and NDTV. और आज का पॉडकास्ट डेडिकेटेड है टू मेकिंग अ करियर इन जर्नलिज्म एंड मीडिया। हमें बहुत सारे इंसाइट्स मिलने वाले हैं युवराज से, सो वेलकम करते हैं युवराज को। वेलकम टू द शो युवराज, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग टुडे?
Hi Pooja, good morning. I'm well. How are you?
I'm also doing pretty well. Thanks for taking out time and doing this. I'm really excited because जब हम करियर ऑप्शंस के बारे में सोचते हैं तो जर्नलिज्म भी एक कहीं ना कहीं एक करियर ऑप्शन रहता है, स्पेसिफिकली फॉर पीपल जो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से होते हैं। एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड टू कवर बिकॉज हम देखते हैं इतना एक्साइटिंग लाइफ होती है, इतना you're in the news and you're covering all the new events that are happening, so it definitely sounds like an exciting job from the outside, but अंदर क्या चलता है, that's what we are here to learn from you. So let's set the basics right. Yuvraj, what is the most preferred educational background to get started with journalism as a career option?
Right. Pooja, thank you for having me, and I love what you're doing. I think this gives the audience a very good insight into what a career entails. So, of course, I also do have some experience to share. I have some insights. So, let's get started. Your first question, they do prefer a communications degree to
Okay.
get in, but that is not mandatory. So generally हमारे में क्या होता है, एक people have a BA. So BA can be in any of the art subjects, sociology, philosophy, English, literature. Any other BA is also fine. Commerce is also fine. What I did is I did my second degree in journalism. So that's a 1-year PG diploma. Many colleges in India have that. They also have a 2-year MA in journalism and mass communication. So that's your second degree. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, बैचलर्स में भी जर्नलिज्म करते हैं. दैट्स अगेन अ 3-year BA in journalism. I think that's offered by 5 DU colleges and several other colleges in other universities. So both those routes make you eligible to enter into journalism. But this is, like I said, this is not mandatory. आप किसी और फील्ड से भी आएंगे, you can apply, they'll review. You need a lot of things. You should have an interest in writing, or you should have an interest in speaking. And you should generally be a little curious, in any area. It could be arts, it could be sports, it could be business, like what I do. So वो curiosity भी देखते हैं job देने से पहले.
Got it. And जैसे आपने बताया कि even if you don't have a degree in journalism or master's degree, then also you do stand a chance. So what are those parameters that they check before considering someone कि हाँ इसको हम consider कर सकते हैं, we can have this person on the team?
ठीक है. So अगर मैं English journalism के बारे में बोलूं, तो of course one prerequisite is you need to have command over English, written and spoken. That's the start. You have to have an interest in writing. By interest, I don't mean you have to be good in the start. Writing is of different kind. Marketing people write a certain way. Social media folks write a certain way. Journalism is a specific kind of writing, report writing, which is basically you have to have news in the first couple of paragraphs and background, so on and so forth. It's an art. So ये तो सिखा देते हैं, but you have to be wanting to learn this, be wanting to do this. और कोई ऐसा स्पेशल नहीं है. दिस पीपल पिक ऑन द जॉब. आपकी क्लासरूम की ट्रेनिंग एक सर्टेन लेवल की होती है, बट आई वुड से आप यू लर्न अ हेल लॉट इन योर ईयर 1 ऑफ जॉब. वहां से फिर आपकी लाइन क्लियर होती है, व्हाट एरियाज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन, व्हाट इज योर स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग, व्हाट इज योर मीडियम ऑफ चॉइस, वेदर यू आर अ टीवी पर्सन और अ प्रिंट पर्सन. सो वो सारा जॉब पे ही और क्लियर होता है.
Okay, okay. And do you need a portfolio wherein you can display the work that you've done, any written blog that you've maintained? Does it increase your chances of getting hired?
Yeah, of course, certainly. Because once you're in the job, see, this is that kind of job, all your work is public. आप किसी भी जर्नलिस्ट को गूगल करेंगे, रिपोर्टर को गूगल करेंगे, तो उन्होंने जो भी लिखा है या जो भी वीडियो प्रोड्यूस करें, इट्स ऑनलाइन. सो इट वो आपका फिर पोर्टफोलियो बनते जाता है. सो वेन एवर समबडी इन माई प्रोफेशन अप्लाइज फॉर अ जॉब, देर आर टू थिंग्स. मैं अपना सीवी दिखाता हूँ एंड देन आई शो द बिग स्टोरीज दैट आई डिड. आई वुड हाईलाइट देम. ये मेरी बड़ी स्टोरी थी. रूटीन भी बहुत होता है. we're pretty much writing every day, we're publishing something every day. So yeah, that becomes a portfolio and that's very important.
Let's talk about after completing your education. So, what career lines open up for me if I've done my bachelor's or master's in journalism? So, can you talk a little bit about that? Because there is print, as you mentioned, there is report writing, reporting, there is TV. So, what are these different options that open up for me?
Okay, so if you have your education in communications, आप journalism में जा सकते हैं, which is, and one part of journalism is hardcore news. All your main news channels, all your main newspapers, and long form documentary also news, but related to news, international publications also, that is news. Then you can go into films and advertising. वहां पे भी इस स्किल सेट की बहुत डिमांड है. एडवर्टाइजिंग, you have to be very smart to write advertising copies. You have to be well read. You research. You write. Very creative. Those guys are very creative. Advertising में जा सकते हैं और जाते हैं आप public relations में. So public relations, every company has a public relations department. Basically, that department speaks on behalf of company to the media, and those guys are also very good communicators. They are basically the wall between the company executives and the media. So they basically वो narrative decide करने में help करते हैं. वो skills काफी valuable होते हैं कि क्या बोलना है, more importantly क्या नहीं बोलना है, और कौन से ऐसे themes में participate करना है. मतलब अगर Make in India चल रहा है तो my company should have their mention in a story about Make in India, that we are also Make in India. These are very important communication strategies. And the fourth thing is publishing. Book writing and book publishing, your Penguins, your all these publishing houses, you have careers there. So starting out, I think these four things are there.
Okay. तो ये तो career lines हो गई. And now can you talk about the positions that I can fill in? जैसे हम Instagram पे भी देखते हैं someone's a journalist, and then LinkedIn पे we also come across different profiles. कोई editor है, कोई senior editor है, then correspondent है, then someone's like covering news specifically, then there are segments also. कोई टेक न्यूज कवर कर रहा है, कोई सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल न्यूज कवर कर रहा है. तो ये वेंचर आउट कैसे करते हैं लोग व्हेन दे एंटर द जॉब? इज इट समथिंग दैट हैपेंस ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, और यू लाइक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डे वन कि नहीं यार मेरे को पॉलिटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू गो इनटू दैट? सो हाउ कैन वन मेक अ डिसीजन अबाउट दैट?
तो आपके क्वेश्चन दो तरीके से मैं हैंडल करता हूँ. आई थिंक मेरे को थोड़ा समझाना पड़ेगा कि न्यूज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है. सो लेट्स पिक अप पेपर की बात करते हैं. लेट्स से हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स की बात करते हैं. तो हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में क्या होगा, सारा जो एडिटोरियल स्टाफ है वो दो हिस्सों में बटा हुआ है. एक है रिपोर्टर्स और एक है कॉपी एडिटर्स. सो रिपोर्टर वो बंदा होता है जो बाहर जाता है, इंटरव्यू करता है, स्टोरी लिखता है और सबमिट करता है. अब वो स्टोरी कॉपी एडिटर्स के पास जाती है. कॉपी एडिटर्स उसका ग्रामर चेक करते हैं, थोड़ा राइटिंग पॉलिश करते हैं, हेडलाइन देते हैं, फोटो डिसाइड करते हैं, एंड देन दे आर द वंस हु फाइनली, न्यूज़पेपर में तो क्या होता है, दे सेंड इट टू प्रिंट एट से अबाउट 9 PM और 10 PM इन द डे. तो वो उसके बाद अगले दिन छप जाएगा. सो copy editors are also, they are very senior folks, they are very good with English, and they are the final gatekeepers कि क्या जाएगा और क्या नहीं जाएगा. अगर रिपोर्टर की स्टोरी थोड़ी सी वीक है तो इट्स द कॉपी एडिटर हु हैज टू से बॉस यू हैव टू डू सम मोर वर्क, गेट सम मोर कमेंट्स, और फिक्स दिस डजंट साउंड राइट व्हाटएवर यू आर राइटिंग. सो ये दो हिस्सों में बटा हुआ है. अब रिपोर्टर्स में हायरार्की क्या है, you start as a trainee reporter. Then you become a reporter or a correspondent, then senior correspondent, principal correspondent, assistant editor, associate editor, senior editor, and then managing editor. So managing editor is the top boss, like the CEO of the editorial part. All decisions, he is the one who sits on all edit meetings के पूरे पेपर में फ्रंट पेज पे क्या जा रहा है, क्या नहीं जा रहा है. और न्यूज़पेपर्स में जैसे ऐसा होता है कि आपकी दिन में 3 मीटिंग्स होती हैं, 3 एडिट मीटिंग्स, दैट इज ऑल हैंड्स, स्टार्टिंग विद 8 AM. 8 AM तो सब कॉल पे करते हैं, एंड यू नो they're at their home, they it's just a formality कॉल के what today looks like from a news site, क्या क्या events हैं, क्या क्या आजकल expected है. Then there's a 11 AM meeting, people are in office, one meeting, again same stuff, आज क्या आ रहा है, आज कौन क्या कवर कर रहा है, कौन किस असाइनमेंट में है, कोई मोदी की कॉन्फ्रेंस है, कोई somebody speaking, lot of press conference in a day. And 3 PM, by 3 PM is the most important meeting. By that time your stories have to start coming in. So उसमें actual paper का layout set होता है कि किस पेज पे क्या जाएगा. And it's it's maddening, Pooja. I mean, it's you see 20 odd pages in a paper और आपको रोज वो भरने हैं. और most of the times you are in good because इतना चीजें ही हो रही है इंडिया में. You don't have to scramble to get news, है news. और कभी कभी नहीं भी है तो you have to keep some special stories in the bank के जब light news day होगा, we'll run those stories. So all this rests on the managing editor's head. But anyway, at 3 PM meeting you tentatively decide what is going at what page and what part of the paper. And by 6 PM your stories start coming in. They start going to copy editors. 6 PM to 8 PM they're editing, डिजाइनिंग द पेज. आपने कभी कभी देखा होगा फ्रंट पेज पे स्टोरी नीचे से कट हो जाती है, बोलते कंटिन्यू टू पेज 8, कंटिन्यू टू पेज 7. सो ये बहुत डायनामिक होता है. यू हैव टू टेक वेरी क्विक कॉल्स कि कितना पार्ट हम फ्रंट पेज पे रखेंगे, कितना पीछे रखेंगे. फिर दीज थिंग्स कीप चेंजिंग ऑल्सो. जैसे मेरे करियर में ऐसा भी होता था, समथिंग बिग हैज हैपेंड एट 8 PM. You won't remember, demonetization announcement happened ऐसे in the evening, and I remember that day. We were all having a normal day in office. I was at Mint at that time in New Delhi. CP में KG Mark पे office है. So this happened, and we all just moved to the TVs over there. सब ऐसे खड़े होके देख रहे हैं. And he said, all your notes in your wallet are not valid anymore. People are like, okay, घर कैसे जाएंगे? So it's very interesting. But what I mean to say is that day, that evening, entire paper changes. तो आपका जो भी आपने शेड्यूल कर रखा है, सेट कर रखा है, वो सब चेंज करो. डिमोनेटाइजेशन की मेन स्टोरीज प्ले होंगी पेज 1 पे. सो ऐसे होता है. So coming back to the question, it's dynamic, it's interesting, and hierarchy यही होती है. Starts with trainee reporter all the way up to managing editor. Copy editors also have a similar hierarchy. वो terminology मुझे इतना अभी sure नहीं है, but वही same. But yeah, this and TV also has almost similar reporters and anchors and copy editors and desk. इसको journalism lingo में desk कहते हैं. Yeah,
Okay.
so it's like that.
Got it. But it sure sounds like maddening from the outside to think कि मतलब मुझे 8 बजे भी available होना है, 11 बजे भी, and then 3 PM, and then like there is so much of frenzy in the
Right.
media. I mean, it's hard to imagine कि आप लोग इतना difficult job करते हो, and how do you like save yourself from burning out?
So it may sound a lot, like there's a lot on your plate and you have to be responsible for a lot of things. But क्या होता है, आप एक subject expert बन जाते हो. You pick a area of expertise, and you spend a lot of years covering that. So over time आपको क्या होता है, you have network with the big newsmakers in that area. Suppose I cover tech right now, so and I used to cover startups in Bangalore. So I am pretty much in touch with all CEOs of all big tier 1 startups. I am in touch with other investors, investment banks, उनके जो heads हैं. Over period I know who's important and they are on my WhatsApp, and so it's easier for me if something happens. I just have to make one phone call, one text, one email. I'll reach the right person, or the right persons know me. So if they are supposed to announce something big, किसी का merger हो रहा है या कोई बहुत बड़ा कोई product launch, Paytm कुछ नया launch कर रहा है, so they are in touch with me. They know that I write for this publication. I'm the tech reporter, so they'll text me. So it gets easier over time. तो जर्नलिज्म में रिपोर्टर्स में यही होता है. They basically spend time in one area a lot. They also pivot their areas. हर एक का होता है. कुछ लोग एक ही चीज में एक्सपर्ट बनते जाते हैं. कुछ लोग 5 साल बाद they want something different. So companies are open to giving you something else. Also, क्योंकि जर्नलिज्म को भी जर्नलिस्ट के लिए थोड़ा इट्स अ क्रिएटिव प्रोफेशन. इफ मेरे को उतना मजा नहीं आ रहा तो आई नीड सम अदर चैलेंज, आई नीड सम न्यू एरिया. मैं अपना लोकेशन चेंज कर लूंगा, मैं अपना एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट चेंज कर लूंगा. तो journalists also keep doing that, especially in bigger organizations like mine, Reuters, global reporters, and so they do move geography and beats. कोई इंडिया से टेक कर रहा है तो वो कनाडा जाके बैंकिंग रिपोर्टर के लिए अप्लाई करेगा. They'll give them a chance. It happens. So yeah, so burnout के लिए news is hard and news cycles are never ending. वीकेंड पे भी न्यूज आती है, कभी भी आ सकते हैं.
कभी भी.
सो आई थिंक क्या होता है कि जब स्लो न्यूज साइकिल है तो यू जस्ट टेक अ बैक सीट एंड रिलैक्स. मतलब जब आपको फ्री टाइम आ रहा है तो आप रिलैक्स कर लो, क्योंकि जब बिजी टाइम आता है तो यू हैव नो चॉइस, यू हैव टू शो अप. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई डू.
Right. And I think I mean this is a question. Do you guys like go on vacations ki हाँ भाई 2-2 हफ्ते? Is that allowed in your
Yeah.
in your company or in the type of work that you do?
It is allowed. See, it is also like any other job. We have your 25 odd paid leaves in a year. What journalists don't have, we don't have your national holidays. So we don't. So we have, I think, 2 national holidays in India, which जिसके अगले दिन newspaper नहीं आता. So that I think is Republic Day and Diwali.
Yeah.
That's it. बाकी सब में you have to show up. But you can take your 25 leaves. We also plan vacations. We take week, 2 weeks. People travel. Very rare cases, if during your leave something big on your patch happens and you don't have another team member who's expert in that area, then you might have to cut short your leave. But otherwise, say if I'm covering tech, there are a few others also covering tech and they can handle in my absence. So they manage like that. We take our leaves. Yeah, leaves तो सबको चाहिए.
Yeah, right. बीच में आपने PR एजेंसी के बारे में मेंशन किया
Yeah,
था.
yeah.
So these PR agencies जैसे they can be part of these news agency like news groups जो हैं, or there can be separate PR agencies which are specializing in हाँ हम आपके
Yeah.
public relations ही handle करेंगे. And third part is companies can have their own PR segments or their own PR offices, as in they can have their team of PR which can manage the stuff related to media.
Right.
So जैसे आपने बोला कि आप स्टार्टअप्स के साथ टच में रहते हो कि क्या न्यूज करना है. सो डोंट यू थिंक लाइक वो तो मोस्टली लाइक पीआर का काम है. देन हाउ इज समवन फ्रॉम टेक रिपोर्टिंग बैकग्राउंड इज काइंड ऑफ रिलेटेड टू दैट? श्योर, आई मीन you'll have to cover news across all the channels, right? Different channels, चाहे वो यूएस में कुछ हो रहा है या फिर इंडिया में कुछ नया बड़ा हो रहा है. But how is that differentiation there?
So Pooja, PR is a very big industry. So PR has a lot of PR agencies. There are a lot of them actually, and they are all specialized in certain kind of PR. Like the area of PR industry I interact with is corporate PR. I know like a dozen firms. उनमें से half of them are international firm, half of them are Indian grown firms. There are other PR firms which specialize in political PR. There are other PR firms that specialize in entertainment PR. All your Bombay folks, these are PRs for your stars, your, when a movie is getting launched, so this machinery is activated. Big industry, lot of money. Then for companies have their own PR departments. Few people, they are called corporate communication executives. What companies do is they hire PR agencies. तो कंपनी खुद थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेटेजाइज करती है, फिर एक्स्ट्रा काम के लिए या फिर इट्स अ ऑनगोइंग थिंग. बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए होती हैं पीआर के लिए. सो दे हायर एन एजेंसी एंड एजेंसी गिव्स देम सम रिसोर्स. सम पीपल विल वर्क ऑन योर अकाउंट फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज that company has that company other company's account. So
Hmm.
ऐसे ऐसे चलता है. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. ठीक है. So we've covered the educational background. We've covered how your career will
Yeah.
progress if you enter into this field. We've also covered the different service lines that open up.
Right.
Let's talk about how do you reach out for jobs in this very demanding industry? Is it mostly on a referral basis, or is it through college campus, or
Hmm.
is it something dynamic or new age like LinkedIn? How does the hiring works in this industry?
So all of that, Pooja, actually, if like somebody who is in a college and is listening to this, so I would recommend, yeah, your first step is to attempt to get into a good college. Let's
Hmm.
say for your masters. So
Okay.
there are a few tier one colleges, uh, and you can maybe like share. I'll share with you that list. You can play that up for our audience. So first effort should be to get into a good college. Now these colleges have placements, and all your your times now to your NDTVs, to all your main papers, TOI and all, they come to recruit. They might recruit very few,
Hmm.
but they would come, and a lot of people are hired in desk also, and that's a good place to start. You'll have
Hmm.
to you'll be editing stories from all, not one specific area but all areas. One day you're doing sports, someday you're doing it. It's a good place to start. तो
Hmm.
placements होता है like any other vocation, यहाँ पे भी placements होती हैं. And yeah, then you like you spend some years, you develop some niche, आपका कुछ portfolio है, your LinkedIn tells about you. उसके बाद जब आपको move करना होता है, so journalism is a small circle, media is a small circle. You know who's who, you know किस area का कौन editor है, who looks after what. So at least in my experience, cold emails and cold messages have worked a lot. So आपको कुछ नहीं
Hmm.
करना, आपको LinkedIn पे बस एक hi, hello, I'm so and so and I wanted to speak with you, इतना भेजना है, and people respond.
Hmm.
And and for me specifically क्या होता है, Reuters also opens up vacancies. There are
Hmm.
few vacancies, lot of applications. People reach out on LinkedIn all the time. So I do give a little benefit to the person who has made that effort to reach out.
Hmm.
तो मैं एटलीस्ट एक रिस्पॉन्स कर देता हूँ, एंड ऐसे कि ठीक है, लाइक आई ट्राई टू लाइक प्ले अप योर सीवी टू whoever is the hiring manager. So cold
Hmm.
emails work, referrals work, your own network works. You have a friend from your journalism school who's in another publication, you
Hmm.
can ask him or her के boss CV भेज दो. I think
Hmm.
that's the same in all areas, right?
Hmm.
थोड़ा रेफरल तो चलता ही है.
हाँ, right. Uh, उसके बिना I think this is something that has evolved over a period of time. Earlier, I remember like back in the day, we used to visit firms and drop our CVs there. This is our CV, please
Yeah,
consider it.
yeah.
But I think times have changed. A LinkedIn message can really like
Yeah, yeah. You
help
should,
you there.
whenever you're applying to a vacancy, you
Hmm.
must apply. That's the first thing. But then try to find the hiring manager, try to find the HR for this vacancy and drop them a hi. Say that I've applied for this. और अगर उस कंपनी में किसी को जानते हो तो send another hi. और एक और बहुत टिप मैंने देखी थी, that when you're applying to this vacancy on LinkedIn or the company's career page, ensure that you're the first to apply. वो भी एक चीज होती है. आप मतलब डे वन वैकेंसी निकली हो, एक डे वन में आप अप्लाई करो, इट मैटर्स.
Right.
नॉट ऑन 2 weeks लेटर यू अप्लाई, यू probably not get a call, but आप डे वन पे अप्लाई करोगे, you might get a call just by applying there.
Hmm. Right. And I think like there is so much more that we can cover on the
Hmm.
techniques of applying for
Yeah,
different vacancies. So वो अलग podcast हो जाएगा.
right, right.
Let's talk about the exciting part of your job. I
Hmm.
mean, जैसे बाहर से सुनने में बड़ा challenging लगता है, but what is it that you enjoy the most about your job?
So, Pooja, no 2 days are the same. I think, journalism is not the highest paid profession,
Hmm.
but it is definitely one of the most exciting professions. You meet a lot of people,
Hmm.
you meet very smart people also. That's what I particularly like. In business, these guys who create companies are very, very smart people. So I like to, be able to sit across them, interview them. And, I will be interviewing them about news, but I'm learning so much more. I'm learning how you see life. I'm learning, your mantras about, success and hard work and all that. So I really enjoy that. And there's certain thrill in journalism, when a big story breaks,
Hmm.
something big is happening. For example, in business, one of in startups in India, one of the big events was Flipkart's acquisition by Walmart.
Yeah.
This is pre-COVID, and
Crazy.
that was
Yeah.
$16 billion. That is
Yeah.
the biggest one has ever seen. So I remember I was at Mint and my boss, who has since written a book on Flipkart, Mihir Dalal. So very clued in guy, very sharp reporter, and कुछ भी हो रहा है तो उसी दिन खबर उनके पास आ रही है उनके सोर्सेस से. So he was on this case for 2 months. I remember 2 months before this acquisition happened, he came into the newsroom and he's like, ये हो रहा है. So we should activate this and be on it. The Walmart guys are flying in and they're meeting, and very big deal is happening. A lot of people will get rich after this deal. All the shareholders of Flipkart, they sell their stake. So billions of
Hmm.
dollars. Axel is a very big VC fund
Hmm.
that made huge money. उनका पूरा 10 सालों की success उस एक deal से हो गई.
Hmm.
So my boss was very like activated at that time. They got all the small stories. अब ये इससे मिल रहा है, अब ये मिल रहा है, अब ये इन्होंने, they have signed the term sheet, then whatever, and then finally it happened. So कुछ भी आपके एरिया में एज अ जर्नलिस्ट कुछ होता है बड़ा, तो आपको खुद से ही काफी एक्साइटमेंट होती है. आई वांट टू बी देयर, आई वांट टू बी एट ग्राउंड जीरो, आई वांट टू बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू नो.
Hmm.
And like while I'm from business, I have a lot of colleagues who are in Delhi who cover
Hmm.
general news. तो elections एक बहुत ही satisfying चीज होती है करने के लिए. I've done a few elections in Delhi, but
Hmm.
as like a second, third reporter, not the main guy. I
Hmm.
have covered 7, 8 budgets every year, February
Hmm.
budgets, very, very exciting. But anyways, like election is so exciting. Journalists 3-4 महीने पहले से अपना research शुरू करते हैं, बहुत
Hmm.
सारी stories लिखते हैं. They go to ground zero and they interview in small constituencies what the mood is like, all of that. They report that, and yeah, and then everybody has their own philosophy of what's gonna happen. क्या मोदी वेव है, नहीं है, कैसे है, and then up until election and election results. So very satisfying. You get to know India actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, वो बहुत exciting है.
मतलब जैसे कि हम लोग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं, राइट? एंड
Hmm.
वी जस्ट रीड फॉर द सेक ऑफ नोइंग व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. वी डोंट गेट
Right.
टू द डेप्थ ऑफ व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. एंड आप लोग जितना डेप्थ में जाते हो उसमें से फिर निकाल कर आप हमें मोस्ट रेलेवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हो.
Right.
I can only imagine the amount of groundwork that you have to lay to
Right.
come up with a 200 words
Right.
paragraph. So,
Right.
yeah. But, like, this makes me think कि फिर आपकी जॉब में परफॉर्मेंस कैसे एनालाइज होती है? इज इट द नंबर ऑफ इम्प्रेशंस दैट यू आर गेटिंग,
Okay.
और इज इट समथिंग एल्स दैट वी डोंट नो फ्रॉम आउटसाइड? हाउ इज
Okay.
परफॉर्मेंस एनालाइज्ड इन योर जॉब?
That's a good question. Not so much about impressions and clicks on your content. It's more like कि अगर आप एक एरिया कवर कर रहे हो तो आप उसकी मेन न्यूज, you are on top of it. That you're not missing a main news. You're not missing a main interview. For example, I'm in tech, and the other, like a couple of weeks ago, the Nvidia CEO. Nvidia currently is a very big company. सारा AI का उनको फायदा उन्हीं को ही हो रहा है. So the CEO came down. Now, if I had not known that, and if I had not approached them for an interview, so my boss will pull me up. So I think the first thing is that you should be on top of your area. Beat कहते हैं हम इसे journalism में, beat. You have to be on top of that. You can't miss any important development in your beat. That is number one. And the second is that try to write more significant stories, big picture stories. तो न्यूज भी दो टाइप की होती है. एक तो जो हो रही है, मतलब something's happening, there's a press conference, you go cover it. The other is from time to time you write a bit of analysis pieces, trend pieces also. Some like AI is big right now. I mean, it's been big for like more than a year now in India also. So like जैसे आप you're in the video industry, so let's say I might do a story on that, how video creators are adapting to AI. Maybe live transcripts, something else. So I should also from time to time produce these analytical, trend pieces, which
Hmm.
are of a lot of value, like people read that. So both of this, like breaking news and trends, and be on top of your area.
Right. I think वो analysis से ही you kind of understand what's actually happening. वो
Right,
cover कर लिया even that's very transactional. हो गया ठीक
right,
है.
right,
But I think the analysis is what makes you more knowledgeable and helps you make the right predictions also, how it's going to evolve, how a particular, like the learning curve of, let's just say, video creators, how it will evolve over the
right,
period of
right.
time.
So analysis pieces have a longer shelf life. News आप आज
Hmm.
पढ़ोगे कल भूल गए.
True.
In analysis आप 2 महीने बाद भी somebody will pick that story up, okay, and will gain something from this.
Right.
Yeah,
And I think that's what people pay for. Like when I'm buying a subscription, I'm not
right,
buying to just know what's happening around the world or the latest news. यहाँ ये हो गया वहाँ हो गया. But like some deeper analysis of what's happening around, or maybe a specific industry. Let's just say I'm interested in tech. The only
right.
reason I'll buy subscription for a tech magazine or tech newspaper is something which is much more than just covering news.
Right, right, right. And you would know as much as I do, these subscription platforms are now growing and
Absolutely.
mainstream than earlier being niche. There more people know
Hmm.
about them, buying them.
Hmm.
Right.
जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक जो ये पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन वाली होती हैं मैगजीन्स वगैरह, डू पीपल हु आर लेट्स जस्ट से मैनेजिंग द एंटायर मैगजीन, डू दे गेट लाइक प्रॉफिट कट आल्सो इन देयर अर्निंग, और इज इट समथिंग दैट्स नॉट टॉक्ड अबाउट?
Profit तो अभी I don't think कोई profit बना रहा है. Uh, yeah, but it is a very good model because you are making money not from ads but from subscriptions. Readers are directly paying you, so it's a better model. और अगर आपने इसको स्केल कर लिया, लाइक एक्स नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स पे कर लिया, तो आपका मार्जिन बहुत अच्छा होगा. मतलब योर प्रॉफिट विल बी इनसेन. सपोज यूर मेकिंग 100 रुपीज, तो आप प्रोबेबली 50-60 रुपीज आप company can just book as profits. That is the idea. And matlab, right now the subscription numbers are slow and are not that big. They won't, like, you won't be shocked to know that number, but they are growing consistently. And those companies, because I'm in the profession, I know they are sustainable businesses. So it's a good model to attack, and whoever becomes the leader will be making money.
राइट. एंड बीच में आई रिमेम्बर जब आरबीआई की गाइडलाइंस आई थी फॉर ऑटो डिडक्शन, ऑटो पेमेंट्स, तब जो है सारे सब्सक्रिप्शन कंपनीज को
Hmm.
बहुत लाइक नुकसान हुआ था. अभी तो ठीक है, दे हैव सॉर्ट ऑफ sorted it out, but initially when the guidelines came out, everybody was facing problems with automatic payments and all.
Hmm.
Okay. uh, we talked about the exciting part. But every coin has two sides, so let's talk about the part that you don't like about your job. क्योंकि we have also seen, and इतना बात करने के बाद समझ तो आया that journalists, they work for long hours and बहुत tight deadlines होती हैं, and every day you're like on the go.
Right, right.
Apart from this, what are the other things that are really challenging about your job?
Mm, See, it's a rewarding career. Once you get a taste of it, you want to stick into it. But if I need to dig and bring up some bad part, of course, like hours is one. It's long hours. You may work till 9 p.m. On most days, and I think at some point, like, people complain about the pay also. It doesn't pay like, uh, you know, your tier one finance job से तो बहुत ही दूर है. But like whatever, like tier one tech job से भी नीचे है. And it's so pay, like, but in any other industry, the top 20% make a lot of money. The majority 80% they make average salaries, and top 20% is huge. Like the managing editors and all, they make tons of money. Perks also, influence also, but mostly, so pay is one complaint in some areas. But if you make smart moves, if you work with the right publications, so it's not that bad. Then hours are long, and basically it's not defined. I think that is how I'll put it, that it's your time is not in your hands. If something happens, you have to shake off and get to it, and you have to, with full enthusiasm, you have to cover it, and you have to spend as long as it takes. For example, मुंबई में जो siege हुई थी
Hmm.
Taj पे, so
Right.
those guys they spent 2 days at
Hmm.
Nariman Point just covering that. You have to, uh, and these are just senior reporters होते हैं. They can't let another junior reporter on such a big event जो पूरा
Yeah.
पूरा world एक हफ्ते तक continuously देखेगा. So yeah, your time is not. You end up missing some personal commitments because news has happened. So
Hmm.
that's the only down, and you get burnt out. Also, news cycle never stops. So once you're a little as experienced as I am, you learn that when free time comes, you just take it. Don't be like, "Nee, I have to be more productive." Just take it, sit down,
Hmm.
shut up, take it, and because when it'll get busy, it'll get very busy, and it won't wait for to see that if you're free at that time or not. So
Right.
yeah, you have to manage burnout.
And I'm sure you must have learned this over the period of time. Initially, when we are young, we are like so energetic. नहीं मुझे सीखना है, I have to be on my toes all the time. But this is something that you will learn over
No,
time.
so this I'll give you an anecdote to explain this to you when I'm at home with my parents. So
Hmm.
because of my journalism career, my parents have taken to news more seriously. I mean, ज़्यादा news देखते हैं वो लोग, and they
Hmm.
enjoy it. They know the anchors. They even know which anchor is moving from where to where. वो इतने टाइम से देख रहे हैं. तो they've developed some liking. तो but अब जब मैं घर पे होता हूँ, तो ऐसे हमारे common time में news मत चलाओ. बिकॉज
Hmm.
न्यूज की कुछ टेंडेंसीज होती हैं लाइक एक्साइट्स यू एनर्जाइजेस यू रैटल्स यू न्यूज इज
Hmm.
मेंट टू बी लाइक दैट कि
Hmm.
कुछ आप नया देख रहे हो या कुछ योर अलर्ट तो वो एक टेंडेंसी तो यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक रेजिमेंटेड पॉजेज फ्रॉम दैट न्यूज तो मैं अब रिकमेंड करता हूँ कि फैमिली टाइम पे न्यूज मत देखो क्योंकि यू वांट टू रिलैक्स.
Right. Okay. Uh, let's talk a bit about the skills. जैसे basic skills तो हैं, you should have command over language English or the language that you want to use to communicate, and then strong communication skills,
Right.
speaking skills. Apart from that, what other skills one should work upon? और ओवर द टाइम जैसे कुछ स्किल्स जो हैं आई थिंक वो ओवर द टाइम डेवलप होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनालाइजिंग वेदर द स्टोरी विल वर्क और नॉट, वो आपके थिंकिंग
Right.
पैटर्न डेवलप होते हैं.
Right.
Talk to us a little bit about the skills that you initially need apart from basic skills, and the skills that one will develop over the period of time.
Right. So initially, it's just some command over English or other language in
Hmm.
which you want to do journalism, and curiosity.
Hmm.
Uh, because journalism is a bit extroverted profession.
Hmm.
You need to be curious. You need to be hungry to learn more about anything.
Right.
And you need to be, that curiosity should drive an effort. कि यार थोड़ा पढ़ते हैं, थोड़ा और देखते हैं, थोड़ा research करते हैं. Let's go to a government department and ask के, क्या चल रहा है, कैसे होता है यहाँ पे चीजें. वो curiosity और वो agency होनी चाहिए. So that is starting.
Hmm.
Over period, let's say at 3-4 year mark or 6-7 year mark, आप क्या करते हो? You become, like I said, you become a subject expert in your area, and by that time you are expected to have a good set of contacts.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to know the right people. You need to know the big people. You need to know all the policy documents, all what is happening. आज की डेट में अगर टेक में क्या है, क्या प्राइवेसी बिल चल रहा है, कि यूपीआई पेमेंट्स पे कैप चल रहा है, तो दे आर यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू नॉलेज शुड बी
Hmm.
at like the latest you should know, and you should know the people. And so
Hmm.
when you move publications, you take this contacts with you. That's what the next employer will pay you for. कि हाँ भाई, this is a very well connected person in this beat, and we don't have any other person covering this beat, so it's okay to pay an expert guy. So next, like I said, later on in your career, you need to have these contacts. You need to know what's happening in your area, and when you have these contacts and when you have this knowledge, then you are sitting at a place, you will be alerted when something significant happens. वो आपके
Hmm.
पास पहुंच ही जाएगा. आपको कोई फ्रेंड टेक्स्ट कर देगा. आप वो वेबसाइट्स रोज देखते हो जहाँ पे अनाउंसमेंट्स आती हैं किसी गवर्नमेंट की या कंपनी की, तो
Hmm.
आप उसमें टच में हो, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज नीडेड. सो न्यूज में क्या होता है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी फर्स्ट. दैट इज अ थिंग यू लर्न. लाइक आपको you have to be at least, if not the first, आपको पहले 2-3 घंटे में उस पे एक्ट करना है, लिखना है या उसका वीडियो सेगमेंट बनाना है. दैट इज itself, it's a digital world, it's super fast. मतलब आपको जल्दी से लिख के, बिकॉज ऑडियंस चली जाएगी. ऑडियंस किसी
राइट
न्यूज की पहले 1 से 5 घंटे में ही होती है. डे 2 पे फिर वो एनालिसिस पीसेस पे जाते हैं. दे डोंट कम एंड रीड द न्यूज.
राइट
So yeah, it's like very fast like that. So I don't know if I've answered your question.
आई थिंक यू हैव इन अ वे, बट मेरे को यहाँ से एक और क्वेश्चन आया. जैसे एसईओ आजकल बड़ा चलता है, राइट? कि
Right.
सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, व्हिच मींस कमिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द रिजल्ट व्हेन यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ थिंग ऑन
Right.
one of the search engines, Google or Bing or etc. तो वो search engine optimization होता है. So as journalists, do you also have to learn the skill so that you can stuff in the right keywords ताकि आपका
Right.
जो result है वो सबसे टॉप पर आए? Because जो सबसे पहले टॉप पर आएगा वही लोग सबसे ज्यादा रीड करने वाले हैं.
Right.
If you're not capturing that in that short span of 1 to 5 hours, तो फिर आपने जैसे बोला कि audience lose जाती है.
Right. So it's for a reporter, it's good to know all this, and you employ it also while writing your headlines. But actually, in bigger organization, there are teams to fix that. I mean, the copy editors know SEO wise kya badhiya hai, and then there are teams which have a tab on Google algorithms and how they change, and they do regular trainings for the editorial staff. कि आजकल ये चल रहा है, इतने कैरेक्टर की हेडलाइन गूगल ज्यादा दिखाता है, कम दिखाता है. सो यू, तो दे डिसाइड these rules and they send out these rules every month, every quarter for Google optimization. So there are people who study this and they communicate the best practices to the entire like organization.
So Yuvraj, what are the salary structures? Because सबको salary के बारे में जानना बड़ा interesting लगता है कि यार
Right.
कितना पैसा बन जाएगा. Although you've mentioned कि it's not people complain about pay after a while, but give us an idea of how the pay structure looks like and what is the earning potential in this field.
So it's like, just think of it as any other profession. There, you start at some point, at 5-year mark, you should be at some point 10-year mark. And if you're really good and you go to the really like top management, top like editors, then significantly it can go into crores. But if I have to give you numbers, you start at somewhere around 5-6 lakhs an annum. That's your starting salary. And by 6-7 year mark, 5-6 year mark, you should hit 1 lakh a month. And uske aage it varies a lot. It depends on how good you are. It depends on which publication you're working for. Of course, like foreign publications has little better pay than Indian newsrooms. उस पे भी depend करता है, and it also depends on if you stay on at the same place, you may make standard appreciation, but if you move around a little, which is the same in every profession, you may have a little better pay. But I think if you're from a tier 1 journalism school, you should be able to start at 5 lakhs an annum.
Got it. ठीक है. And जैसे आपने बोला कि टॉप मोस्ट पोजीशन जो है, one of the top most, not the only one, managing editors. Can you give an idea how much are they making? थोड़ा aspirational value जब attach हो जाता है ना, तो लगता है कि हाँ, okay, this is something interesting and this is something I like, so I'd like to go ahead here.
So I can say जो top like publications, let's say newspaper, top newspaper India में है, pan India newspaper, उनके editor upwards of 5 crores per annum. But it's a very serious job. I remember this editor walked in the morning, just going to his cabin. He like walks into his cabin, is like, asks his secretary, okay, how many lawsuits today? So he's like, no. So it's a very serious job. They give you your house and car and all that, but it's very, very serious. They are the only top level executives who actually spend 11-12 hours in office since morning 9 a.m. to night 9 p.m. They actually, it's a very, I wouldn't want to be a managing editor. Yeah.
Now I want to ask a few controversial questions. देख लेना आप कि आपको आंसर
Sure,
करना हो.
sure.
We can like ignore them also. So सबसे पहले जैसे we have heard or we have seen that trust in journalism has declined over the years. And कुछ लोग ये भी मानते हैं कि जर्नलिस्ट जो है वो बायस्ड होते हैं, पॉलिटिकली इंक्लाइंड होते हैं एंड जानबूझ के स्टोरीज को सेंसेशनलाइज करते हैं टू गेट मोर व्यूज, गेट अटेंशन, राइट? And overall, this industry, right, is having some sort of economic instability in terms of layoffs. Last year भी हमने देखा था बहुत layoffs हुए थे, and we're also seeing that newsrooms are shrinking, right? And then we're also at the same time we're also seeing growth of many YouTubers which are covering news. So what do you think, how does the future look like for journalism as a career or journalism industry or news agency media industry?
Right. Right. So very good question, Pooja. So आपने कई सारे points touch करे. You talked about shrinking newsrooms. You talked about layoffs. Tough business. Media is a tough business.
Hmm.
What I'll tell you is that it has always been tough because it is an ad-dependent model. And
Hmm.
ever since your big tech, your Facebooks and Instagram have come, so they
Hmm.
have taken a larger pie of the digital advertising, which would traditionally go to news publications.
True.
So वो एक अभी भी डेवलप हो रहा है वो नेक्सस. काफी सारी कंट्रीज में न्यूज पब्लिशर्स आर suing फेसबुक एंड ऑल दैट. तो वो मॉडल्स बन रहे हैं अभी. बट अभी एज ऑफ नाउ it is a bit pressured. News media business is a bit pressured because it's solely ad dependent. So they are trying to experiment with subscriptions. They are trying to do other things. But then what I have understood is that it is a cyclic thing. Every 3-4 years, the model is disrupted. थोड़ा सा एक winter आती है. It could be because of 2008 financial crisis. This time with COVID. In the middle, when like the government in power was very had a strong hand on what goes out on media businesses. So but this is cyclic. The pattern is every 3-4 years there's a bit of disruption. थोड़ा layoff होगा, थोड़ा reorganization होगा, कोई बंद होगा, कोई merge होगा. So this keeps on happening, but the profession stays because it's very important. It's the fourth pillar. You need like good businesses, honest businesses that supply news and that supply facts. So ये तो हो गया कि मीडिया बिजनेस में क्या चल रहा है. What was the other part of your question?
दैट जर्नलिस्ट जो होते हैं वो बायस्ड होते हैं,
Right.
जानबूझ के सेंसेशनलाइज करते हैं कंटेंट को टू गेट मोर
Right.
व्यूज एंड अटेंशन.
उसमें पूजा द थिंग इज एक स्पेक्ट्रम है न्यूज का. देयर आर सम सीरियस एस्टैब्लिश्ड न्यूज प्लेयर्स. देयर आर सम डिजिटल ओनली न्यू एज वेबसाइट्स. एंड देन द थर्ड इज योर इंडिपेंडेंट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स. तो मैं ये अर्ज करूंगा जो भी रीडर होता है ना उनको बहुत कॉशियसली देखना होता है कि उन्होंने न्यूज कहाँ पढ़ी है. इट कुड बी द सेम न्यूज बट द स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग और द कंटेंट in that news article varies. So when you're looking at hard news, no, you go to these establishments. You go to a Hindustan Times, Times of India. You go to business papers like ET. You go to NDTV. ये सब आप these are serious. You go to like international publications, Reuters, New York Times, Wall Street Journal. हमारे एरिया में बहुत ही important global publication है. So you go to serious news. जैसे जैसे आप इस स्पेक्ट्रम के आप उस तरफ आते जाओगे इंडिपेंडेंट क्रिएटर्स की तरफ, यू हैव टू टेक इट विद अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट के देयर इज सम एनालिसिस स्टफ्ड इनटू इट, देयर इज सम बायस स्टफ्ड इनटू इट. तो आप दे माइट बी गुड क्रिएटर्स लाइक ध्रुव राठी आई वॉच फ्रीक्वेंटली एंड I don't watch so many but a few that I know they do the hard work before putting out something. I mean जो भी वो लाइन ले रहे हैं but they have done their research. It's interesting line. And they're backing their claims. So, but then आप देखो कि उनमें बायस आ सकती है. एक मेन स्ट्रीम न्यूज जर्नलिस्ट में हमारे कुछ रूल्स होते हैं कि हमारे को बायस नहीं आनी और आपको किसी एक साइड को फेवर नहीं करना. अगर आपका पूरा आर्टिकल एक नेगेटिव है, यू हैव टू गेट अ कमेंट विच इज दूसरी साइड के बारे में बोल रहा है. ये एक एडिटोरियल प्रिंसिपल्स होती है हमारी, that it has to be neutral. I mean, I'll give you an anecdote. Like, I write for an international publication, and I was writing an article जिसमें ट्रम्प का मेंशन था. And Trump faced an assassination attack where the
Yeah.
bullet whisked his
Right.
ईयर.
Yeah.
उसके
Right.
बाद ट्रम्प ने अपना ऐसे हाथ उठाया, फिस्ट उठाई, एंड लॉट ऑफ अपलॉज ही गॉट, और उसके
Right.
नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ डेज उसको काफी वो मिला, काफी अप्रिसिएशन, और काफी his all aura strengthened. So like
Hmm.
on day 3, day 4, I'm writing some article which just has a mention that Trump
Hmm.
face this. तो फिर मैंने एक लाइन लिखी कि following that he received admiration from
Hmm.
people, because he raised his fist. It
Hmm.
was, it was defined. So my copy editor removed the word admiration. He said, "You can't write this line. This creates bias. Is there
Yeah.
any? Do you have any proof?" मैंने कहा, "Sir, there is proof. There's social media everywhere, but no, it's still, it is like a loose thing to say. So you remove this." So
Hmm.
what I want to convey is that they go to extremes to weed out any bias from our reportage.
Hmm.
Now this is an international publication, 150-year-old, very, very set practices.
Hmm.
This gets watered down as you go to like very, very newer people who are still defining कि हमें कैसे लिखना है. अब जैसे एक वाइस न्यूज हुआ करता था जो बंद हो गया, वाइस, it's being revived now. So they would do very outrageous articles and commentaries and all. So I think the onus is also on the reader. They should know where they're reading, what they're reading. Agreed that your first source of reading something may be Instagram, कोई आपके किसी influencer ने उस बारे में बात करी, so that's where you learn कि अरे भाई ये हुआ. But then I would urge the reader to go to like a serious publication and read the main article from a serious publication. Then you venture out into creators और सबका opinion देख लो. But आप एक serious news organization से पहले पढ़ो. तो I'm rambling a lot, but I think to answer, serious journalists and serious news organizations have these rules in place, have these principles in place where bias is not introduced either independently or at an organizational level. So it's like unethical and almost like we don't do that.
Makes sense. My connected question with this was that will journalism as a career thrive in the coming years? And I think you've indirectly answered it. So makes sense. एक ना पिक्चर बीच में थोड़ा सोशल मीडिया पे आई थी कि कंपटीशन कहीं से भी आ सकता है. लाइक शादी.com का कंपटीशन जीवन साथी भी है, बट एट द सेम टाइम नो वन न्यू टिंडर कुड बी अ कंपटीशन फॉर
Oh, interesting.
Shadi.com, right? So earlier people were marrying via Shadi.com, Jeevan Sathi, and now via Tinder, Hinge, Bumble, etc. So likewise, जैसे we also talked about YouTubers, right? Independent content creators. So न्यूज मीडिया, न्यूज एजेंसी, इनका भी कंपटीशन इनडायरेक्टली फेसबुक बन जाएगा, ये भी कभी एनविजन किया नहीं था. एंड देन लाइक इंडिपेंडेंट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स एज वेल. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस कि ये जो न्यू एज करियर ऑप्शंस ओपन अप हो रहे हैं, डू यू थिंक दे कैन गिव अ हेड ऑन चैलेंज टू द ट्रेडिशनल हैविंग स्ट्रॉन्ग बिजनेसेस ओवर years, उनको competition दे सकते हैं indirectly?
See, what I'm seeing, I think this digital has blown up in such a way that, and it's going so fast, and these creators are making so much money, making it a real career option. It's insane. And
Yeah.
if I were to say honestly, I think the merit in sticking with traditional paths and traditional organization, that is getting watered down every year. So I believe that. I believe there is, and news organizations are also adopting, these, they want to have a bigger presence on Instagram. They want to put out reels more. They want to partner with influencers more because those guys have reach. So the disruption is happening. But if your question is that will the traditional roles or traditional orgs disappear? No, they will reinvent themselves and adopt this. So वो disruption क्या भी phase में है, but there is the content creators are doing fantastic. It is blowing up like crazy, and because I cover YouTube and because I cover Meta, they are very strong players. So they will take more sales, and they'll take more money out of the hands of other publishers of all kinds, and TV as well, TV content. So it's at this point it makes sense to be a creator. You'll have good reach. You'll make good money.
Right. I think this brings us to the end of the
Great.
podcast. But before we end, I want to talk about uh, what's the best advice that you've received in your career?
Best advice. I wouldn't say that I've received from somebody. I mean, there have been a lot of mentors in my life, and
Hmm.
they've all like said some very interesting things that I've thought very hard about. I think the accumulation is that it is a long race.
Hmm.
So you have to think long term, and matlab, hard work beats talent. So it's not important to be the smartest person. It's important to be consistent. It's
Hmm.
important to show up every day. It is also important to take breaks बीच बीच में. So it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. That is what I really follow.
Wonderful. And जो young students हैं जो इस करियर लाइन में आना चाहते हैं, आप उनको क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
देखो, it's very very exciting and takes a lot of effort, takes your soul, but it is very rewarding. And if you're curious and if you like to know about things, तो आपको definitely इसको try देना चाहिए. And you give your ears, you give your effort, you make a name. Possibilities are endless. There is always time to pivot. There is always demand for skill sets which we deliver. And we're a extroverted, edgy bunch of people. तो बहुत मजा आता है. You meet a lot of people. You make a lot of connections. काफी rewarding career है. It takes मेहनत, but it is as rewarding. That's what I would like to say.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Yuvraj, for taking our time. आपने बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट होके सारे क्वेश्चंस को आंसर किया एंड यू आल्सो मैनेज टू आंसर द डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस व्हिच मेक्स मी बिलीव कि हाँ मतलब जर्नलिज्म एज अ करियर रिवॉर्डिंग भी है सैटिस्फाइंग भी है एंड एट द सेम टाइम जो मार्केट में रूमर है कि अब ट्रस्ट जो है कम हो गया दैट्स आल्सो नॉट एक्सट्रीमली ट्रू So thank you so much for taking our time. And जिन्होंने भी ये podcast देखा है वो anyway curious तो हैं because the name of the podcast is the Curious Podcast. So I hope you guys got to learn about this exciting career. And if you have any doubts, you can reach out to Yuvraj on Twitter and LinkedIn. He's pretty active there. And if you have any career doubts, आपको कोई counseling चाहिए, he's very down to earth. Please reach out to him. He'll definitely help you out. Thank you so much once again, Yuvraj.
Thank you, Pooja, and thank you, our listeners. Yeah.